This is stacker. Notice the numbers here. You can see here also have numbers. L1, L2, L3. Those three, it is the mean power for the stacker. U1, V1. This is up-down motor. This one is up-down motor. 拍什么？
在下边你那反正不一样。
反正不一样是什么意思？什么意思？反正不一样？
它按完之后不一定是这张车。
按完之后，它可能就是说，
这个东西跑得出来了。
啊。After you connection with this power, all the ones you need to test if the motor direction correct or not. You just this is that one it is up down motor. Here is go up. This is for up down motor. If you press up, the machine up, it is okay. If not, you just change UEVEWE, change length. Let the motor rotation direction change. It will okay. You can see here U2 V2 W2. It is working motor. This one it is a working motor. You should same method to check the motor rotation direction correct or not. You must choose first. You must choose the manual model, and you can see here number 5. For number 5, it is the travel switch in the block receiver. Just connection. Find that line connection with here is okay. Number 10 and number 11, it is front stacker go front location. Number 10 and number 11 here. This 10和11在哪里啊？前进到位。This travel switch. This travel switch is here. This is motor. This travel switch is here. And number 15 and 16 here. 15、16嘞，上升到位。Here, this one is the top limited location. The top one. This one, it is this one. Your connection here. Twenty, 21. 20, 21. You can see this line go here. This one, the travel switch is here. And you can see here number 9. Because it is always close here, so like this connection together. Same insurance also like this connection together. And 22, 23 and 36, 22, 23, 36. Those two lines all from one travel switch. You can see here the travel switch is here. The travel switch is here. All travel switch in the stacker, all this travel switch have two lines. Be sure after your connection all the ones you must choose this one, and connection with power. Practice if you let control the machine go up, It cannot go up, just change the ones. You can see here 22, 23, 36, 22, 23, 36. These two lines. If this line, your connection here, this line connection here, it will not work. If not work, you should change this line to here, just like this. It will be okay. 它这个接反了，它是怎么不动弹？接反了，到这地方就停了，它不再工作了是吧？if 就是马达机不能全自动的工作了是吧？都是全自动。if this line 22, 23, this line connection here not correct, the stacker cannot work itself automatically always. So this time, you should let this line connection with 36, this line connection with 22, 23, just like this. 这个是前进后退电机，这个是升降电机，这个是什么？
前进到位行程开关。
前进到位的行程开关。
后退到位。
这个是后退到位的行程开关。
这个是上升到位。
这个是上升到位的行程开关，这个是下降到位的行程开关。The special travel switch in the stacker. In the stacker, only this switch, travel switch is special. You can see here, 22, 23. This is the normal close. You can see this and this number. It is number 1 and number 2. Those two. 22, 23 should connection with number 1, number 2. It is normal close. 3 and 6. It is normal open. It should connection with here. Number 3, number 4. It will be okay. This is the travel switch.
这俩是长臂。
你怎么知道？
前面这有两个铜臂的，看看一下调上来了。长臂合的是长臂，如果一调上来，这俩就敞开。
哪俩是长臂啊？
你这样和理解吧？1、2是长臂，3、4是敞开。
正常的都是这个头下边的是长臂啊。
1、2，对的1、2。
这是1、2。
3、4敞开。
This one. Normal close. This one. Normal open. 所有的都是这样的，正常的。
哎。
你要不正常什么样？人调的。
给我翻过来。
哦。
你看着。
我看着号了。
1、2、3、4嘛。
Oh, here you can see the number 1, number 2 is normal close. Number 3 and number 4 is normal open.